Introducing typing. Empower your students to become confident and proficient with keyboarding with typing, a fully integrated, standards-aligned typing curriculum designed to support all learners through real-time feedback, structured progression, and gamified achievements. On your dashboard, you'll be able to easily monitor class performance with progress bars for each student, and browse all of the available lessons that we have ready to go for your next class. On the student page, you'll see an overview of your student's performance with total typing time, lessons completed, average words per minute, and accuracy percentage, along with a tab for the badges that your student earned along the way. Looking to have some fun, we've added an optional arcade that you can toggle on for your students so they can test their typing skills in a gamified setting, with multiple games that they'll unlock as they progress through the course. And best yet, typing now easily integrates with both CodeHS and CodeHop. Contact our team today at codehs.com/typing.